Good morning, Honorable School Management, respected Administrator Ma'am, respected Principal Ma'am, respected Vice Principal Ma'ams, all heads, teachers and my dear friends. Today we celebrate Vasant Panchami, an important Indian festival that marks arrival of spring season, a time symbolizing renewal, hope and new beginning. After cold winter months, nature comes alive with blooming flowers, green fields and pleasant weather, spreading joy and positivity all around. Vasant Panchami is dedicated to Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, wisdom, learning, music and arts. On this auspicious day, students, teachers and scholars worship Goddess Saraswati and seek her blessings for intellectual growth and creative excellence. It is believed that worshipping Goddess on this day helps remove ignorance and lead us on path of knowledge and wisdom. The color yellow holds great significance on Vasant Panchami. It represents energy, optimism, enlightenment and prosperity. People wear yellow clothes, offer yellow sweets and decorate their surroundings with yellow flowers. During this season, vast fields of mustard flowers bloom, creating a beautiful and vibrant landscape. This day reminds us of importance of education, discipline and lifelong learning. It teaches us to respect our teachers, books and knowledge we receive. Vasant Panchami also encourages students to develop curiosity, creativity and positive attitude towards learning. As students, let us take inspiration from this meaningful day and promise to use knowledge responsibly for progress of society and nation. Let us welcome spring season with enthusiasm, positivity and renewed commitment to learning. Thank you.
माननीय विद्यालय व्यवस्थापक, माननीय प्रशासिका महोदया, माननीय प्रधानाचार्य, सभी पद अधिकारी महोदया, अध्यापकगण एवं मेरे सहपाठी। वसंत पंचमी विद्यार्थियों के लिए अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण पर्व है, क्योंकि यह दिन ज्ञान, कला और संगीत की देवी माँ सरस्वती को समर्पित है। विद्यार्थियों के लिए इसके महत्व के मुख्य बिंदु निम्नलिखित है। माँ सरस्वती जन्मोत्सव। पौराणिक मान्यताओं के अनुसार इस दिन विद्या की देवी सरस्वती का प्राकट्य हुआ था, इसलिए छात्र अपनी बुद्धि और एकाग्रता बढ़ाने के लिए उनकी विशेष पूजा करते हैं। विद्यारंभ संस्कार। छोटे बच्चों की शिक्षा की शुरुआत करने के लिए यह दिन सर्वश्रेष्ठ माना जाता है। इस दिन बच्चों को पहली बार अक्षर लिखाना सिखाया जाता है, जिसे अक्षर अभ्यासम या विद्यारंभ भी कहा जाता है। कलम और पुस्तकों की पूजा। विद्यार्थी अपने पुस्तकों, पेन, वाद्य यंत्र और कला का सामग्रियों को माँ सरस्वती के चरणों में रखकर उनका आशीर्वाद प्राप्त करते हैं। पीले रंग का महत्व। वसंत ऋतु और ऊर्जा का प्रतीक होने के कारण इसी दिन पीले रंग के वस्त्र पहनते हैं और पीले रंग के पकवानों का सेवन करते हैं। एकाग्रता और सफलता। यह पर्व नई शुरुआत का प्रतीक है। छात्र अपने लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करने के लिए और मानसिक स्पष्टता के लिए इस दिन प्रार्थना करते हैं। धन्यवाद। कुंदेन्दु तुषार हार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रामृता
भगवती सामा पातु सरस्वती। नमः.
सरस्वते नमः.
ॐ विद्यादायिन्ये नमः.
विद्यादायिन्ये नमः.
ॐ हंसवाहिन्ये नमः.
हंसवाहिन्ये नमः.
ॐ मा सरस्वते नमः.
सरस्वते नमः.
ॐ वरप्रदायै नमः.
वरप्रदायै नमः. विष्णुनुतं हरिचन्दनकुङ्कुमपङ्कयुतं मुनिवृन्दगणेन्द्रसमानयुतं तव नौमि सरस्वतीमालयुगं शशिशूद्रसुधाहिमधामयुतं शरदं बलबिम्बसमानकरं बहुरत्नमनोहरकान्तियुतं तव नौमि सरस्वतीपादयुगं कनकाब्जविभूषितभूतिभवं भवभावविभाषितभिन्नपदं प्रभुचित्तसमाहितसाधुपदं
A very auspicious morning to Honorable School Management, our today's chief guest, Honorable Vice President Sir, all the heads, teachers and dear students. I would like to wish you all a very, very happy Vasant Panchami today. It is indeed a great pleasure for us to celebrate this great occasion in this temple of knowledge, which imparts knowledge to thousands of students and has been doing this since a long time. Last 23 years, PSB English School has flourished academically as well as in the co-scholastic activities, and it gives us immense pleasure to celebrate this great auspicious occasion today with our Honorable Vice President Sir. I welcome you, sir, once again for this auspicious celebrations. Vasant Panchami marking the arrival of spring and worshipping Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, art and music. You know, children, this goddess is blessed with three things. She will bless us with three things. One is knowledge, one is art and other is music. So we focus on all the scholastic as well as co-scholastic activities. So if you worship Goddess on this special day, the Goddess will definitely bless you with her blessings in all these three fields. Today, the day is celebrated with the theme of yellow color, Saraswati Vandana, which we just now observed the students performing this a cultural program but also presented by the students. The shlok and mantra recitation which we have done today will definitely foster wisdom and joy. The festival symbolizes academic dedication, offering prayers for knowledge and vitality. Today, as we celebrate the blooming of spring, it ends the mark of winter season. Let us celebrate and also invoke the blessings of Goddess Saraswati to enlighten our minds with knowledge and positive thoughts. Let us embrace the positivity of the season and commit ourselves to learning, creativity and wisdom. Happy Vasanta Panchami to all of you. May Goddess Saraswati bless you with wisdom, knowledge and success. All the students, after going home, you please perform puja at home of Goddess Saraswati to seek the blessings of this goddess for your learning, for your creativity and for your wisdom and being positive throughout your life. Happy Vasant Panchami to you all. Thank you and have a good day.